How to rename iPhone change device. Name. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily rename your iPhone. To rename your iPhone, start by opening the Settings app. Next, scroll down and tap on General. Under the General section, tap on About. Here you'll see all the info about your iPhone, like the media you have, its storage capacity, and more. You'll also see the current name of your iPhone, along with the version, model number, and other details. Right at the top, you'll see the name of the device. Tap on it and it'll let you edit the name. So instead of using my full name Surf Pro, I can change it to just iPhone or anything else you prefer. You can get creative with this. There are no limits. And just like that, my iPhone is renamed to Pros. Now, your iPhone is renamed and it will show this name to any devices around you. Whether you want to remove your name or just give it a fun new one, it's up to you. I hope this helps you personalize your iPhone and make it just the way you like it. Thanks for watching.